What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got a new Grand Cherokee L for you. I've never done this generation Grand Cherokee before. This is a 2023 L Overland. Let's take a look at this one. Let's see how the front does. These Grand Cherokees interior materials will vary greatly depending on the trim level. This is the Overland, which is one step down from the Summit, and the Summit is considered the highest trim level, actually the Summit Reserve. So the materials on this are better than on the more basic ones, but not as good as the Summit. I might have to review those other cars and show you the differences. So not all Grand Cherokees are the same. They are very different interiors depending on the trim level. They all look the same though, whether you get an L or a regular Grand Cherokee, so the layout's going to be the same and everything, just the difference in materials. Let's do this. And now for the button test. Don't want to press that. I do want to press this though. Guys, I've never done one of these tests even on my own in something like this before. I have to tell you, the outgoing Grand Cherokee model, the one that came before this one, the WK, that car was hot garbage when it came to interior quality. This is much, much, much improved over that car in terms of fit and finish and even materials too. So this car did mostly okay. There were just a couple of squeaks that I did not like. Otherwise, like 90% of the interior was pretty solid. For a fit and finish score, I'd give it a 7 out of 10. As far as materials go, we're looking pretty good here, so I'd say this is about average for this car's class, maybe a bit above average actually. We have really good soft touch vinyl in the places where it should be, like on the dash and on the door and whatnot. No problems there. Everything feels pretty good. Where you start to run into hard plastic though is like this wood trim and lower, like by your knees, by the glove box. That's all hard, crappy plastic, which is unfortunate, but then I have yet to see the Summit Reserve. That might fix that issue. As far as wood goes, I think we have this plastic here that looks like wood. I wish they'd just give us real wood. I could be wrong again. Don't know these cars that well. Comment below if I'm wrong, but I don't think I am. This is just plastic. The seats in this one, I know for sure are real leather, and they do feel pretty good to the touch. The headliner and the sun visor are both cloth, and then I do like the way that the buttons and switchgear look in this car. They're a departure from the prior FCA cars. They're looking pretty good, pretty modern. I don't like the way they feel though when I press on them though. They don't feel like anything special. They're actually quite mediocre, but I do like the way they look. My favorite part though is this gear lever here. This is actually metal, and it gets hot when it's hot outside, and it makes a nice little sound there. You can tell it is real metal. They didn't have to do that. That's a nice extra touch though. I can appreciate that. As far as a score for the materials, I think this gets a 6 out of 10. So there you guys have it. Your final score is 7 out of 10 for fit and finish, 6 out of 10 for materials. Please let me know your thoughts. I did drive this around a little bit. I think it just kind of improves on the outgoing Grand Cherokee model, because that one drove pretty decent. This is not going to be a sporty SUV or anything like a Cayenne or anything like that. This is not even kind of close to that. This is more of a practical, everyday family SUV with some off-roading capabilities. That's why the Jeeps stand out a little bit compared to the competition. You have your different drive modes here. It's got a proper 4x4. That's why people like these. They have that little bit of extra capability. Yeah, that's about it. That's all I have to say about that. Let me know if you want me to review the Summit Reserve, because I think that one is going to do a little bit better, at least in the materials category. Let me know if you want me to do the lower trim levels too, to compare them all. See what you think. Anyway, catch you guys next time. Peace.